The 2023 concept has, I would say, a lightweight feature was very important. It's an electric car, so you need to go further, but you need to go faster.
We decided to create something maybe just for the racing, just for the really young audience. From Formula E, we got kind of inspired from how to develop and construct all the concept from the exterior.
In some way, it could look very raw, but this is the intent. We had to get rid of everything that is basically aesthetic and cosmetic and only focus on structures. That's why you can see just a shell and then some beams, and basically everything is made of this Lego technique, tubular kind of approach.
The exterior colour we're looking at is trying to suggest a vehicle that's almost been machined out of a solid lump of metal, and it's got a very textured surface to it to give that rawness that contrasts with the high gloss elements of the vehicle.
The 2023 concept, we felt it was time to make something that reflected perhaps the environment we live in and the young team that we have here.